Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen serum on face, easy method. Start with clean, dry skin by washing with a gentle cleanser and patting your face completely dry. Apply a pea-sized amount to fingertips, warm it between your fingers, and press gently into cheeks, forehead, and neck. Allow the serum to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before following with moisturizer and sunscreen. Use morning and night for best results. After cleansing and toning, apply serum to damp skin to boost absorption and avoid rubbing harshly. Follow with a light moisturizer, and during daytime, apply broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30. Use the serum twice daily, morning and night, unless you notice irritation, in which case reduce to once daily and patch test new products on your jawline before full face application. Store the bottle away from direct sunlight to protect active ingredients. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful skincare tips. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion during your routine or post-stroller self-care. It makes staying hydrated easy between serums and moisturizers. I've linked the product and other deals in the description, so check it out for details. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Gently press serum into skin using upward motions rather than rubbing to support skin elasticity and prevent pulling. Use light tapping motions around the orbital bone, avoiding direct eyelid contact, and allow extra time on drier areas like cheeks and neck. If layering with retinol or acids, apply the collagen serum after water-based treatments and before heavier creams to maintain product performance and reduce pilling. Consistency matters, so commit to a simple routine you can keep daily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.